Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Bittergiggle Clock from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a large circle. And then let's add another smaller circle in the center. Now let's add the clock hands. From the top, let's draw 2 lines going up. And then close it off at the top. Now let's move down on the left and let's draw a set of angled lines up and out. And let's make these a bit shorter. And again, let's close off the end. Now let's move on top of the clock face and let's draw a vertical line up. And then a large curve out and down on the right side. Then for the end, let's curve it upwards. And then curve it back down. Next, let's hop down to the bottom and let's draw a small line down in the center. And then let's close off the right side by curving it down and bring it in at the bottom. And that's it for the right side of the clock. Now let's move over and let's draw the left side. For this side, let's draw a zigzag line all the way around to the bottom. Lastly, let's move in and draw the eyes. Let's draw 2 circles at the top. And then another circle inside each eye on the right. And color both of these in black. And that's it for the Bittergiggle Clock. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!